Question for you. Have you used some hand sanitizer lately? Well, it could be giving you a false sense of security in the fight against germs. Researchers say quickly rubbing hand sanitizer on your hands after you sneeze probably won't, won't kill those cold and flu bugs. That's because your fingers are still wet with mucus. Experts say it takes a full 4 minutes to fully kill viruses. They say the best advice is to wash your hands under running water for at least 30 seconds, as I've got a frog in my throat.
Maybe you need some using more
Where's the
hand
sanitizer?
sanitizer.
My goodness,
There
I'm going to
you go.
spray it all over me.